In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts to Canva. Whether you're looking to customize your designs with a unique typography or integrate a specific font style that aligns with your brand, you'll find this guide handy. So let's dive right in. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Canva account, as these steps require you to have access to a Canva Pro account. Once you're logged in and have selected or opened your design, choose the text area where you want to apply your new font. When you click on the text box, it should highlight indicating that it is selected. This is crucial because the font you upload will be applied to this specific text area, so make sure it's exactly where you want the new typeface to appear. Next, navigate to the top menu where you see the font name currently applied to your text. Click on this area to access the font drop-down menu. This menu is where Canva lists all the fonts available in your account, including both the default Canva fonts and any you've uploaded previously. Here's a quick tip: if you're having trouble finding the font drop-down, look for the name of the current font. It's always prominently displayed in the toolbar that appears when your text is selected. Now you will spot an option at the bottom of this drop-down menu that says Upload a Font. Go ahead and click this button. Remember, this option might not be available if you're using a free Canva account, so ensure that you're on a Canva Pro subscription to utilize this feature. Once you've clicked Upload a Font, a file browser window will pop up. You can now browse your computer for the font file you wish to upload. Canva supports font files with extensions like .ttf, .otf and .woff, so check that your file is in one of these formats. After you select your file, click Open to begin uploading. During the upload process, it's a good time to note that including fonts you have the rights to use is essential. Be sure to respect intellectual property rights and ensure that you own the font or have permission for its use in your projects. Once the font is successfully uploaded, you will see it appear in your font list immediately, usually at the top of your fonts under Uploaded Fonts. Don't forget to apply it to your selected text to check how it looks and fits with your design. You now have full artistic control with your custom fonts, enhancing your Canva designs. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to upload fonts into Canva. With this capability, you can give your creations that extra personal touch or brand-specific aesthetic. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more ways to enhance your creativity with Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Have a creative